Just got Wessex Blades, quick catch up with a Merlin with some really nice laser marking on it. Hello, Scott from Wessex Blades. I sold a blade this week, and there has been interest in doing other ones, and what the plan was this. I needed to test to see if LMAX laser marked as successfully as the carbon steel with the laser. And even though I haven't even finished it off, surface finish it, it's making a mark. So I can have a little test to see how much it grinds off again in order to finish the blade off. So LMAX does mark. So I want to do 3 LMAX Merlins with the Merlin engraving on the leather sheath. I'm going to do 3 of them. If anybody's interested, email me at wessexbladesuk@yahoo.com. An exclusive batch of 3 LMAX Merlins, 103, 203, 303, and they'll have the Wessex Blades along one side, the Merlin on the other, and on the sheath in a sort of light colour. So we got the contrast will be in Merlin engraving on the sheath. Small batch of 3. If anybody's interested, please email me. Thanks for your support.